Jim Cramer, Mad Money from the NYSE, kicks off tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern Time with Ken Langone and Goldman Sachs CEO David Solomon. That should be interesting. Jim, you're at home there. This is a move for Mad Money, but not much of a move for you. You're there every morning.
No, I've been here for 40 years. This is where I started, and I feel like it is home. What I like about it is that I think that I can get a little more relevant guests. It's just a lot easier. I want the closing bell, to be incredibly important. It's always been good, but we want to take it up a notch. And I've got an unbelievable staff here, and we have an amazing team. So, you know, Mark Hoffman all the way down. Everybody is fabulous, and they've been working round the clock to make this work, and I'm really proud of the team.
Be watching it. That's Langone. That should be interesting. See if you can get him.
You know, I love him. I hope he brings the Langone. Right, we got to bring Langone.
Try and get him out of his shell and see if you can get some real comments from Jim. What happened Friday? And both of us have been, I don't know. I said I don't want to just be optimistic because I like it, you know, when the wealth effect is better. And more, nobody loves bear markets, obviously, but I don't want it to be that. I think that so many stocks are down so far that I'm not sure we need that big 40 VIX capitulation, and you've been kind of saying the same thing. That was impressive on Friday because what caused Friday? What really happened? Nothing really happened. It was a hot.
Well, I'm with you. Wells Fargo. It was an amazing quarter. Frankly, they made so much money. Truly impressive. The Citi blew me away. When was the last time we had a number from Citi that was extraordinary? That made us feel that don't take your cue from J.P. Morgan. Take your cue from Morgan Stanley. We're seeing unbelievable bank numbers, and people have to accept the fact that the consumer is so strong. Now, yes, okay, so the Fed is to slow down the consumer, but Joe, we're just not seeing recession. We're seeing what we need to see, which is a legitimate slowdown. I think ultimately a slowdown in inflation. And I celebrate this. I don't root for a recession like so many people. They look at the yield curve and they say, we're going to have a big recession. I think you and I both know that the stocks reflect a lot of negativity and not a lot of positives.
I'm still struggling with when we're dealing with inflation and the Fed is going to have to do its job. Do we want the backdrop to be a really good economy? Or a really bad economy? So when we have good jobs numbers and when we have good retail sales and it looks like the consumer's still going well, I think that gives the Fed leeway to raise rates and maybe hit that soft landing sweet spot easier than if we were already in a really bad economy, which is what the stock market, at least that's the signal it was sending, that we were almost already in a recession or that one was imminent. And I don't know, I'm not convinced that's the case.
The stock market believes that the consumer is shot, that loan is just shooting up. It's actually the opposite. Steady loan growth. The consumer is very strong. That's why the consumer is spending. Maybe they cut back some spending. That was the retail sales when people dived into it. They realized, wow, you know what? After some adjustments, it's not that strong. I think this allows J-Powell to do 3 quarters. Obviously, we're not doing anything in August. No emergency raise.
Right.
And that's what we want. I mean, look, we just want steady as she goes. Now, Greg Hayes this morning from Raytheon did say, look, we got to slow this thing down. We need more engineers, and we just can't make it happen.
Yeah.
It's industrial America that is
good problem
to
have, though.
Industrial America.
In demand, good problem. I'm hoping that we're in September or whenever, and we look back and go, yeah, we did it again. We had a chance to get all these stocks down 40 and 50%, and here we are. We didn't do it, and here we are, and once again, we missed it. And I'm hoping that's what we do.
Last week was a seminal week. We had a stock like Micron and guided down really badly, and it's now up 10 straight points. That's what you got to think about. Stocks overshot on the downside. You and I know that. There are a lot of strategists who keep waiting for Armageddon. There will be no Armageddon. None.
I hope you're right, Jim. Thanks.